welcome. My name is Marian and today I'm going to be decluttering and taking down all of my Christmas decorations. I am so over all of the Christmas decor. I started decluttering, I want to say mid-December, but then things got really crazy and I didn't get a chance to completely declutter before the new year started. So I'm trying to go ahead and do that now. I just want to get rid of so many things that my kids don't use and that I don't use. So I need more space and it's gonna take forever, I feel, but first things first, I want to go ahead and bring down all of the Christmas decor and put all of that away so that I can see exactly what I really need to get rid of and just kind of make more room for new things, or just try to keep things to a minimal, because I'm just trying to get rid of a lot of things so that I can make more space. And it's just really easy to make yourself of so many things and then you just start cluttering it up, and I need to get rid of a lot of things, and some of these things are a little hard to let go of, but I really want to keep things at a minimal to just have more space and more clarity and be more organized. So I'm gonna really try my best to get rid of a lot of things and not keep things that I don't use, because I always make an excuse of why I shouldn't get rid of it and find a purpose to use it, and then I never really end up using it anyway. So I'm gonna do the best I can to get rid of stuff. Another big project that I have, which I'm not going to be able to get done today, but I need to clear up my garage. That garage I have cleaned out so many times and I don't even know how it happens. I just get it filled with stuff and it just overwhelms me to have a mess in there. So that's something that I'm going to have to do. That's on my list, to clear things up and get rid of a lot of things. I have a lot of boxes that I need to get rid of, so I need to buy a few bins. I like the clear containers because you can really see what's inside, but that's for a different day. So today we're gonna go ahead and declutter the best we can and just bring down all of the Christmas decor and just make room for the new year. So I am in my living room now. As you can see, I have a plant back here that I bought at IKEA, and I have really been trying to get rid of this tree so that I can put that plant where the tree is currently at. Right in this corner is where I want to go ahead and place it. When I initially got that plant, I thought I was going to be able to put it in my room, and when I took it up there, it literally took out a lot of space and it was just way too big. So it was bigger than I had anticipated, and I don't have much room here where I can put it, because in the other corner I have my treadmill right here, so that wasn't gonna work. But first, let's go ahead and get rid of all of these Christmas decor, put them away, and that way I can start decluttering. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take down the tree, starting with the ornaments, and then these little stems. It took forever to put it up, and I hope that it doesn't take as long to bring it down as it was to put it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place all of the ornaments in this bag. I literally have been placing all of my ornaments in this bag for such a long time. I need to find like a better container to put them all in, but this works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dump them all in here. I did my best to try to coordinate everything and separate it by color. So I know that all of the white and silver ornaments are going to be in here, and then I have other bins where I have all of the other Christmas decorations, like all of the reds and all that. So it's going to make it a lot easier so that when I want to put up my tree next year, I can have everything coordinated. So let's go ahead and take it all down. I absolutely loved these. These are so pretty and glittery, and I feel like for next year, if I still go with the same color scheme, I'm going to pick more of these up. But these would look really nice also, like with the red, and these one as well. They're so cute, and it really made the tree look a lot classier, I feel, but these were my favorite. The thing is that I don't know where I'm gonna put these without really smushing these. These are nice because you can put them together like that. They won't get damaged. But these, I don't know, I am afraid of ruining them. But I need to figure out where I'm gonna put these. Hopefully they fit in that one bin that I have, but these are so pretty. These were really my favorite, these two. So this is how the plant is looking in that corner where the tree was. I don't know if I should leave that base. It's like a little stool that I put on it just to kind of elevate it. But I'm not sure if I should leave it or if I should remove it. So that is how it looks without the stool. I don't know what to do. I don't really like it how it's right in the center there. I would have loved to really pushed it back a little further to be in the corner, but if I do that, it's not gonna have enough space. So this is day 2 of this vlog. I did not get a chance to finish yesterday. It took me a lot longer than I was expecting, taking down all of the Christmas decor, but here I am now decluttering, and I've already got a full bag of clothes that I no longer use. It just feels so good to get rid of a lot of things that you don't use anymore and just make some space in your home. I think I'm actually going to be taking down a lot of artwork that I don't like anymore. These frames right here, I think I'm going to keep this middle one, and then I just gotta clean up my vanity here. I have not that many things on top of it, but probably reorganizing that is something that I'm gonna have to do. And I just have some boxes here I need to get rid of and put that stuff away with all of the Christmas wrapping stuff. And this is the bag that I have going on right now. So I have quite a few things there that I no longer wear, and I still have to go through my drawers to see what else I can get rid of. So this is the mess that I have going on. I have a bag full of my clothes. I still need to go through my kids' closet and take out a lot of clothes that no longer fits them as well and they don't use. And then I have a box in here that I'm going to donate. I still have a ton of stuff in the garage that I need to put into this box. Then I have these bins here and stuff that just needs to be stored away, and that's all the Christmas decor. And well, that is all I have going on. I am just so glad that I was able to take down all of the Christmas decor. I really could not stand seeing it one more day, so I'm glad that that is all taken care of. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and store all of that away. But that is all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you give it a like if you did. Please don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for stopping by, and don't forget to love yourself, take care of yourself, and until next time, bye.